Hi guys! Ito yung ginagamit kong hand sanitizer for my babies from Tiny Buds. It's 60 ml na, so sulit na siyang gamitin. It's all natural, made from fruit, so wala kang maamoy na alcohol talaga dito. Suitable for sensitive skin. Pwedeng-pwede mo siyang gamitin anytime. It's gentle and non-drying din yung formula niya. For babies, kids, and adults. Ayan. Itong breed medyo powdery yung amoy. So, mas prefer ko yung yellow kasi yung sweet lang ng amoy yung yellow. So, it's my favorite for my baby. Pero bumili na ako ng marami since sobrang needed naman talaga natin na meron tayong hand sanitizer for our babies. And safe din ito na ilagay ni baby yung kamay niya sa mouth niya after natin silang malagyan na itong sanitizer. Since it's all natural. So, if you want to buy these hand sanitizers, just click on yung yellow basket. Ayan, as you can see, nag-hold ako ng marami. And click on the yellow basket and try this out for your babies. This is Tiny Buds Brighten Up Baby Face Cream made for our babies' sensitive and delicate skin. So it is made with a blend of natural ingredients specially made to keep baby's skin soft and smooth. This is their non-sticky formulation and also it is paraben-free. So ayun guys, andyan naman sa box yung kanyang ingredients and directions kung paano siya gagamitin. Nandiyan din yung kanyang expiration date which is about 2 years pa. So, maliit lang siya, 30 grams. Matagal niya siya magagamit kasi konti lang yung kailangan mo sa face ni baby. Hindi rin siya sobrang mabango na masakit sa ilong, so hindi may irita yung mga babies natin. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa face ng baby ko tuwing umaga. Ayan yung kaning nalagyan. Sa loob niyan, meron pang extra na takip. Okay, so let's check the consistency of the cream. Ayan. Kita niyo naman, ayan. So, ganyan na siya guys. Konti lang yung nilalagay. Okay, so non-sticky talaga siya. Napasadali nilang na-blend sa skin. So, diba sobrang cute niya. So, try niyo na lang ito sa mga babies ninyo kasi it's all safe naman. Just click on the yellow basket. Thank you. Para sa mga breastfeeding moms like me, kailangan natin itong donut from the Buds and Blooms breast relief donut. So it is a comfortable